When CC, total reflection can occur when the angle of incidence is underscore than the critical angle. A less B equal to C greater. The correct answer is option C. Atmosphere. Psi equals A. 10 kilopascals B. 50 kilopascals C. 75 kPa D. 100 kilopascals. The correct answer is option D. Is defined by the number of elements used. Effective transducer width. Option A. Aperture. Option B. Linear. Option C. Transducer. Option D. Propagation. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following is not a factor determining spatial resolution? Option A. Frequency, wavelength. Option B. Transmit intensity. Option C. Pulse interval. Option D. Acquisition. The correct answer is option D.